Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. Today we are going to make some sunflower and bee themed DIYs. So let's start with DIY number one. For this I got one of this beautiful honeycomb with a bee inside. So I'm going to decorate this with the black chalk paint all around, and I'm also going to fill all those hexagons with the black chalk paint, and I'm also actually dry brushing on the wings to give those nice details. Isn't that pretty? I just like it so far. And I'm also going to fill everything with the yellow acrylic paint, and also I took some of this antiquing wax and I'm going to fill that on the wings, because wings are somewhat like brownish grayish color, so I'm trying to achieve that with this technique. And I just took one of this Sharpie and I'm drawing the borders of the bee, and I'm also going to define the eyes and those black patches on the bee, just like so. And I'm going to take my sweet time to do that. See how this is turned out into a cute bee. And I'm just going to dry brush this excess of this antiquing wax all around those hexagons. And while that's drying, I just took one of this cute honey bee gnome sign from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to take this top part where it says be humble, and also has a nice hanging thing. So I'm just going to sand it down so the paint adheres well. And I'm just taking the same yellow acrylic paint and I'm going to fill that with the one coat was not good enough, so I had to do at least two coats to get like nice coverage. And yeah, this is how it looks after it's dried. And I'm also dry brushing all over this hexagon with this white chalk paint to give like little distressed look. Now we got the sunflower part coming into the picture, so I'm just going to place this beautiful sunflower printed fabric that I recently got from Dollar Tree. I just pressed it down so to remove any wrinkles, and I'm dry brushing with white chalk paint to remove the excess brightness so the flowers are shown well through those honeycomb. So that's the plan here. So I'm just taking generous amount of hot glue and I'm just sticking this honeycomb on top of this dry brushed fabric of sunflowers, and then I'm going to cut it down after the glue dries and with a scissor all around. And this is how it looks so far. Isn't that pretty? So I'm just going to take like generous amount of hot glue on top of this metallic sign which says be humble, and I'm going to gently press against this honeycomb. And I got two of this flat beads, actually pearls, from Dollar Tree. They are stickers, so I just stuck two of them where those holes are there on this honey be humble metallic thing. So I'm just also going to fill with antiquing wax to give like little distressed nail effect there. And yeah, that's all I'm going to do. I'm so happy with the look, so I'm not going to even add any bow or flowers. They are pretty as is according to me. So yeah, this is one of the cute bee DIY. I'm so happy how this turned out. I hope you would like it too. So let me know your thoughts. This video will be part of Sunflower and Bees collab, and this is hosted by Tosha from Sunflower Tosha DIYs, and the co-host is Cindy from Z9 Designs. And I'm going to link the crafting channels of these two creative ladies in my description box, as well as link to the playlist. So please watch all of our videos and give lots of love. Let's move on to DIY number 2. For this, I'm going to take one of this beautiful yellow container. I just love the bright yellow there. And also it has like nice lace design on the top. I wanted to somehow use this for this DIY. So I'm just dry brushing with white chalk paint all over it to make it look a little pleasant yellow there. So I just took one of this black polka dotted ribbon from Dollar Tree, and I'm just attaching that just below that beautiful lace design all around. And I'm going to take one of this cute bee that I used last year for another project. So I'm going to use generous amount of hot glue and I'm going to stick it just below the lace design, and I'm taking a lot of styrofoam pieces and I'm going to attach that to the base of this container. And these are some of the flowers from solar stakes. They, after they went bad, I just pulled off the flowers and I painted with a yellow paint and filled with this brown burlap in the center, and I also took some of this large skewers and painted with antiquing wax and cut them down. So now if you want to see how I did that project, I'm going to tag on the eye corner and also in the description box. So I just stuck all these sunflowers on those skewers and filled with Spanish moss with a lot of yellow flowers and greenery to finish the look. Isn't this pretty? This is also another sunflower and bee. So yeah, this is another DIY that I wanted to share with y'all today, and I hope you like it too. I think I like it so much. So yeah, let me know your thoughts. Let's move on to DIY number 3. For this, I'm going to take one of this hexagon sign from Dollar Tree and also this yellow polka dotted wrapping paper. And I'm going to cut those 3 hexagons from that piece, and I'm going to attach that with a glue stick like you're seeing. And I'm going to generously apply the glue stick and attach those pieces there. And I wanted to also take one of this bee from this cage, and also we're going to use this cage for another DIY today. So I'm going to paint with yellow paint and also brown and black paint on it, and I'm going to show that how this turned out in just a second. And I also painted 2 of these bugs in yellow and black to give like a bee look there. And I also got some of these yellow sunflowers and also orange color sunflowers. I'm thinking which one should I place on either side. So I think I'm going with the orange tint of sunflower. And then I realized I didn't paint those honeycombs with black chalk paint, so I just generously applied black chalk paint all around, and I'm just going to use the sunflowers on either side with generous amount of hot glue so that both the corners will have sunflowers and the center will have a lot of bees in it. So this is how I'm going to stick those cute wooden laser cut bees on either side. And this is one of this painted bee that we painted from the cage, and that is also like sticking around in one of this honeycomb in one corner. And this is one of the cute honeycomb sign that I wanted to share with you all. I also attached 2 of these leaves, if you can see, on either side of the sunflowers. Yeah, isn't that pretty? I just love how this turned out, and this is such a cute, simple sunflower and bee theme DIY. I hope you like it too. I just love it though. So let me know what you think about it. Let's move on to DIY number 4. For this, I'm going to use that cage with the cute bees around. I'm going to paint those bees with yellow, brown and black and antiquing wax on top of the bees. And I was also thinking to paint the top part of the cage with brown paint, but I didn't like the look of it, so I just let the cage be like that, and I just painted the bees. Now I'm drawing with Sharpie to give like nice designs on that bee, and this is ready to be decorated. So I'm just going to attach one piece of a styrofoam to the base of the cage with a hot glue just like so, and I attached a lot of Spanish moss on top of it, and I'm sticking tiny sunflower pieces, some greenery and some of the white flowers, and also attach one cute bow with a tiny greenery to finish the look. And I just love this beautiful sunflowers and bees flying around it as one more part of this DIY, as a part of this collection. So I am so happy how this turned out. I hope you like it too. So again, let me know your thoughts. Let's move on to DIY number 5. For this, I'm going to take one of this cute sunflower candle from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to dry brush with the antiquing wax and some brown paint together, and also gave like a nice coat in the center to highlight the center of the sunflower. And I also drew like dotted lines around the sunflower design, and I took one of the sunflower printed ribbon and attached around the top of this candle, and attached one yellow flower and greenery to finish the look. Only thing, if I would change, I would have actually added a bee printed ribbon on top of this candle, and also maybe stuck one of the bee around it. So yeah, this is another DIY, but anyway, I like it this way too. So let me know how you would have styled it differently, and I would love to know your ideas and suggestions. And yeah, like I always say, let me know your thoughts. Let's move on to DIY number 6, or a hack. And this is one of the cute flower pot from Dollar Tree with a lot of sunflowers already in there. So I just wanted to decorate it with one of this honeycomb printed ribbon, and I also created a bow with 8-loop bow, and also attached one yellow flower in the center of the bow. And I also wanted to give like 2 bees from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to stick those bees in the center of the sunflower just like so, and I call this is done. I also stuck 2 of those white sunflower in the base of the flower pot to finish the look. This flower pot is already fuller with lot of flowers and greenery, and I stuck 2 of those sunflower stickers, and 2 of the bees in the center of the sunflower is finishing up the look today. And I'm so happy how this turned out too. And yeah, this is another one, so let me know. And this is one of the beautiful sunflower candle holder, and I just took one of this orange tinted sunflower and I placed them together. That's all I did. I just attached with 2 or 3 of these leaves and flower together, and I call this is done. And these are some of the social media handles that you can use to connect with me. And we reached the final part of the video, which is the final reveal, and I thoroughly enjoyed making all the DIYs today. I was so happy to see the bright yellow. It makes me so happy, the yellow color. So, and also the bees are so beautiful around the sunflower, and these are my favorite themes, so I just didn't want to miss making the videos about this two together. And I'm so happy how all these turned out, and I thoroughly enjoyed making all these videos today. I hope you enjoyed watching and working along with me, and if you like some of these ideas and if you'd like to join with the family, I'll be more than happy if you click on the subscribe button and join. And definitely don't forget to hit on the bell icon to get updated when I upload videos like this. And I want to take a minute to thank all of you for taking some time to watch this video and making my day. I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. And I'm going to let you enjoy the final reveal. Until next time, if you like to see some of my videos, I'm going to tag some in the right corner of the screen. And like I always say, thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.